Transform your workspace with JOYROOM Cable Organizer. Tired of tangled cords and messy desks? The JOYROOM Cable Management Organizer lets you keep cables neat and secure. It's perfect for desks, nightstands, and even cars. With an easy-to-use magnetic clamp, add or remove cords effortlessly. The 7.5 mm slots hold cables snugly while allowing smooth pulling for use, perfect for USB, HDMI, and power cords. Stick it on wood, glass, or tiles. It stays firm without damaging surfaces. Plus, a reusable sticky pad makes relocation a breeze. Create your dream clean workspace today. Click the Amazon link in the description and bring home the JOYROOM Cable Organizer.